Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered if we are alone? Have you ever imagined setting foot on another planet, exploring alien landscapes and perhaps even encountering other forms of life? The universe is vast, filled with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets. Could one of these distant worlds be our future home? The idea of living on another planet might seem like science fiction, but it is a possibility that scientists and dreamers alike are seriously considering. As we learn more about the cosmos and our place within it, the idea of becoming a multi-planetary species becomes less far-fetched. But why would we even want to leave Earth, our home planet, to venture into the unknown? Earth is facing a growing number of challenges. Our population continues to increase, putting a strain on resources and the environment. Climate change is altering our planet in unpredictable ways. And while we have made great strides in technology and medicine, we are still vulnerable to natural disasters and potential global catastrophes. Looking beyond Earth to other planets offers a chance to ensure the long-term survival of humanity. It provides an opportunity to alleviate the pressures on our home planet and to discover new resources and possibilities. The challenges of space exploration and colonization are immense, but so are the potential rewards. If we were to leave Earth in search of a new home, where could we possibly go? While the universe is vast, not all planets are created equal. We need a planet that can support life as we know it, with liquid water, a suitable atmosphere, and a temperature range that humans can tolerate. Fortunately, scientists have already identified several potential candidates within our own solar system and beyond. Mars, our closest neighbor, has long captured our imaginations as a potential second home. Europa, a moon of Jupiter, hides a vast ocean beneath its icy surface, potentially teeming with life. And Kepler 452b, an Earth-like planet orbiting a distant star, offers a tantalizing glimpse of a world that might be remarkably similar to our own. Of all the potential destinations for human colonization, Mars is perhaps the most promising and the most challenging. The Red Planet, as it is known, is a cold, dry desert world with a thin atmosphere composed mostly of carbon dioxide. But Mars also holds the potential for life, with evidence of past water flows and the presence of subsurface ice. Living on Mars would require significant adaptations. We would need to develop sustainable habitats that protect us from the harsh radiation and extreme temperatures. We would need to find ways to grow food and generate energy. And we would need to adapt to the lower gravity, which could have long-term effects on our bodies. But despite these challenges, the dream of becoming a multi-planetary species, starting with Mars, continues to inspire scientists and explorers. Section 5. Europa, an ocean under the ice. While Mars might offer the most practical destination for human colonization in the near term, Europa presents an intriguing alternative, one with the potential for discovering extraterrestrial life. This icy moon of Jupiter is thought to have a vast, salty ocean beneath its frozen surface, containing more water than all the oceans on Earth combined. Exploring Europa's ocean would be a monumental undertaking, requiring advanced technology to penetrate the thick ice shell and withstand the extreme pressure and cold. But the potential rewards are immense. Discovering life beyond Earth, even in microbial form, would revolutionize our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Section 6. The challenges of interstellar travel. Venturing beyond our solar system to planets like Kepler 452b presents even greater challenges. The distances involved are staggering, measured in light years. The distance that light travels in a year, traveling at approximately 186,000 miles per second. Even with our most advanced spacecraft, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach even the closest star systems. To overcome these vast distances, we would need to develop entirely new forms of propulsion, such as fusion drives or antimatter engines. We would need to find ways to protect astronauts from the hazards of long-duration spaceflight, including radiation exposure and the psychological effects of isolation. And we would need to develop self-sustaining spacecraft capable of supporting generations of travelers on their journey to a new home among the stars. Section 7. Adapting to alien worlds. Living on another planet would require more than just technological advancements. It would also demand that we adapt both physically and psychologically to environments vastly different from our own. The lower gravity on Mars, for example, could lead to muscle and bone loss over time. The lack of a global magnetic field would expose us to higher levels of radiation, and the thin atmosphere would offer little protection from meteoroids. Beyond the physical challenges, there are also the psychological adjustments to consider. Living in confined habitats, far from Earth and the familiar comforts of home, would undoubtedly take a toll on even the most seasoned astronauts. We would need to develop new social structures and coping mechanisms to thrive in these alien environments. Section 8. Building a New Earth, Terraforming and its Challenges. One ambitious concept for making other planets more habitable is terraforming, the process of transforming a hostile environment into one suitable for human life. This could involve releasing greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to warm a planet like Mars, introducing genetically engineered organisms to produce oxygen, or even diverting comets to deliver water and other essential elements. While terraforming might seem like science fiction, it is based on sound scientific principles. However, the challenges are immense. Terraforming a planet would be a monumental undertaking, requiring vast amounts of energy and resources, and potentially spanning centuries or even millennia. It would also raise ethical questions about our right to alter other worlds to suit our needs. Section 9. A Future Beyond Earth. The idea of living on another planet might seem like a distant dream, but it is a possibility that is drawing closer with each passing year. As we continue to explore the cosmos and push the boundaries of science and technology, we are inching closer to the day when humanity might become a multi-planetary species. Whether we choose to colonize Mars, explore the oceans of Europa, or venture even further into the vast expanse of space, one thing is certain. The human spirit of exploration and our desire to understand our place in the universe will continue to drive us to reach for the stars. What do you think? Will humanity ever live on another planet?